welcome back to my channel. It's Nisharese. Tonight I'm just going to be doing another Smokey eye. I do already have one on my channel, but I'm going out with the ladies tonight, ladies night, and I was doing another Smokey eye, this one with a pop of silver. So I'm just gonna do it while filming, and hopefully you enjoy. Let's get right into it. So I'm going to start off with something different. This is my Beauty Creations Elsa palette. It's not my Juvia's Place. A little sad, but a little, you know, we gonna work with it. We gonna work with it. So I am going to start off with a e.l.f. blending brush, and I am going to go into this brown, this shade right here. It's kind of skin tone, but a little darker. I'm just gonna put that above my crease, per usual. I know it's a trend right now for people to start at the bottom or the lid and work their way up, but I'm so used to doing it this way. I can't get with it. I already told you multiple times, if it ain't broke, we're not gonna fix it. So this is always where I start off. So I'm just blending that in. Hopefully you guys can see. I've never filmed at night before. So I think you can see that. So we're just blending that in very nicely. And then I'm going to take another e.l.f. brush, same thing, just I don't want to mix the two colors just yet, but I'm gonna take this deep burgundy color right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease. I'm wearing like black, red, and white tonight. So I thought a smoky eye would be cute. It's Friday, and a little drink is always good for the soul. It ain't never hurt nobody. I need that. The kids is gone. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna hop on and record this look so I can just show you guys different ways. The first video that I ever did on YouTube was a smoky eye, and I'm not proud of the quality or the lighting. So hopefully this is a little better. This is just a clean, semi-clean e.l.f. blending brush, and I'm just making sure those two colors transition nicely, no harsh lines, and kind of just marry together. Same thing. Hopefully I can get a good picture of my outfit, and I can add that to just show how it all came together. So we have that. I am going to go back in with that burgundy, boop, boop, right there. Burgundy color one more time. You know, we extra, so we're gonna add a little extra, deepen it up just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that, smoky eyes can be a little tricky just because they're so dramatic, but I promise it is so easy. It's just all about making sure everything is blended seamlessly. Juno. All right, we good. All right, so now I am going to take, this is a Knickknack, New York, I don't know. I got it from my beauty supply. Don't sleep on the beauty supply stuff. I'm telling you, beauty supply makeup be popping. I'm just taking a flat brush, and I am going to put this gel eyeliner all over my lid. And this just makes the smoky eye a tad bit more intense. And gives it just a little better staying power, if that makes sense. When I first started seeing people doing this, I was so terrified. Like, that is just dramatic beyond. But I finally gave it a chance. I'm like, oh yes. I'm gonna take, what am I taking? Just a blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out those edges. Nothing too great, but just smoothing it out just a little bit. I'm gonna take the eyeshadow up higher than what this is, what the gel liner is. So it doesn't have to be perfect, but you know. Now I'm gonna take a flat brush. I think this is a Cala brush. I'm spraying with my NYX, and I'm gonna go back into the same Beauty Creations palette. And I'm gonna go into this black shade. Any black will do because we laid that base down. Any black should pop, but I'm just going to cover what I did. And I am bringing it up closer to my crease, as you can see, but I'm just covering what I just did. I actually added that on just a tad bit sloppy, creating more fallout. I didn't have really any fallout on this eye, but it's okay, we're gonna fix that. Don't be scared. All right, so we just wanna make sure all the patches are and empty spaces are filled in. We're leaving that corner empty because we're gonna add the pop of silver. That should be cute. And then I'm gonna go back in with the same e.l.f. brush, and I'm gonna go into that burgundy so I can blend out these corners and the two colors can kind of go nicely together. So there's burgundy on this brush, and I'm staying kind of at the tip, the top part, and just blending back and forth, sweeping back and forth. If you lose product or if some of the color gets lost, you can always go back in and add, but just blending the top of it, you shouldn't lose too much color. And this just gives it a gradient effect, blending into that burgundy and that brown, and keeping that black though as intense as possible. So blend, blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend. Story of our lives. I lost a little more color right here than I'm proud of, so I'm just going to tap that in. Tap, 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 tap. Go all across the crease. Taking that brush again, going back into this burgundy. Let me see. Look, I'm all like, oh, looking crazy. Trying to show y'all what I'm doing. But I want y'all to see, and I want to try to help anybody that I can. I am still honestly a beginner myself, so any look that I do on this channel, I promise you can do it too. Because half the times I don't be knowing what the heck I'm doing or how it's going to turn out. All right, so this is blended pretty nicely to my liking. So I'm just going to go in with this e.l.f. brush. Doesn't have any product on. And I'm just making sure everything is kind of soft around them edges. Them edges, them edges. Y'all see that? Or are you distracted by all this crazy fallout? Because I am. Wasn't expecting that. I have a makeup wipe here. Makeup remover wipe. So I'm just going to wipe that black off. Simple, simple. Like I said, I didn't get no fallout on that side. So I was just being a little sloppy. It's all good. So now that we're done with that, we have that little inner corner that's empty. We're gonna take our Faithful, the NYX Glitter Primer, and just a small, this is just a small angled brush. Nothing fancy. And then I'm gonna go into my inner corner because the silver is kind of metallic-y. And we wanna make sure that it sticks. My eyes water like crazy. That's why I never do my liner or lashes on camera, because it's just a hot mess. I'll be so frustrated. So putting this primer down is a good idea for me because I'll be losing product with these waterfall eyes of mine. So annoying, so annoying. Okay, so now I'm gonna start off. I got a new palette today. Love this palette. I can't wait to create some looks for you guys. But this is the Makeup Revolution London palette. And I'm just going to go into this, it looks white on the camera, but it really is silver. So I'm just gonna take that, and you know what? I should have sprayed so it can, so spray my setting spray. I'm going in with that silver, and I'm just pushing that in the corner. I actually want to bring it a little under my eye. And fix that. And then I'm going to go in with this MAC palette. This palette is so old. I got this literally like 9 years ago, and I rarely use it, but it has a nice silver color in it that I'm not mad at. So we gonna use it. I'm just pressing that in my tear ducts, my inner corner, whichever word you prefer, but you see. And that is basically it, ladies and gentlemen. Super simple. We're gonna add some eyeliner and some bomb lashes, and we should be good to go. I'm just softening up the edge of the silver just a little bit, making it blend into the burgundy and the black. I don't want it to stop so abruptly. I'm just blending that a little bit. And that is it. So let me go ahead and throw on my lashes, my foundation, and all that good stuff. And I will be right back. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoy this smoky eye. You can wear it ladies night out, going out with your man, all that good stuff, all that good stuff. Let me get a little closer so you can see the sleigh. Yes, 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 yes. Anyways, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Also follow my Instagram, Nisharese and Coacertified. On Nisharese's page, I will be posting I post lots of pictures all the time, but you can kind of get an idea of more makeup looks, different poses, outfits, all that good stuff, all that good stuff. We just getting started, y'all. We got a lot of good stuff, if I can talk, good stuff coming. Anyways, I will see you in my next video. Bye.